to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet.
I just have the weather here.
Monday, northwest
We're just gonna listen to the forecast a bit because I'm using my SR68 camcorder.
10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Here is the area weather summary. A weak cold front moves across our area tonight into Friday morning.
A weak cold
A
front.
backdoor cold front sinks south on Saturday, lifting back north as a warm front.
I hate backdoor cold
A
fronts.
strong cold front crosses our region Sunday morning, followed by high pressure which built in later Monday into Tuesday before shifting to our south and east by Wednesday.
What?
Another frontal system may then track through on Thursday. The following is a special weather statement from the National
Yeah, they're
Weather
actually
Service
talking about
for the following counties:
wildfire
Delaware,
spread.
Kent and Newcastle, and the following counties:
Ah, bro, what was that?
Delaware,
Is that a cicada killer?
Eastern Montgomery, Lower Buck, Philadelphia,
Yes.
Buck, Western Chester, and Western Montgomery. Elevated risk for fire spread today. There is an elevated risk for fire spread today across southeastern Pennsylvania and Delmarva. Minimum relative humidity values will drop to around 25 to 35% this afternoon. This will be accompanied by temperatures rising into the mid-80s to low 90s and southwesterly winds near 10 to 15 miles per hour, with gusts up to 20 miles per hour. These conditions, along with the continued drying of fine fuels, could support the rapid spread of any fires that ignite, which could quickly become difficult to control. Conditions improve during the evening as the wind diminishes and the relative humidity increases.
It is hot out here.
Alcohol burning is strongly discouraged.
It is 90
Be
degrees.
sure to properly extinguish or dispose of any potential ignition sources, including smoking materials such as cigarette butts. Use caution while using any machinery outdoors, such as lawn care equipment, that could cause sparks.
Dude, the ground is like burning my feet. I don't have shoes
This
on.
forecast considers meteorological, fuel, and land conditions and has been developed in coordination with state fire officials. At 2 p.m. at Philadelphia International Airport, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 89 degrees, the dew point 57 degrees, and the relative humidity 33%.
Yeah, so it's not.
The wind was southwest at
It's
12
warm,
miles
but
an
it's
hour.
not muggy out
The
here.
pressure was 29.84
It's hot, but
inches
it's
and
not
falling.
muggy.
At Wilmington, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 88
It's not like.
the dew point 58 degrees, and the relative
It's not like
humidity
typical
36%.
summer weather.
The wind was southeast at 9 miles
And that's
an hour,
unfortunately why we don't
17
have.
miles an hour. The pressure was 29
No, that's a bee.
inches and falling.
Those are carpenter
Here are
bees.
some conditions
Let's actually
across
get a look at them.
Pennsylvania at 2 p.m. It was mostly
I'm pretty sure those are carpenter bees because I saw like 2 of them out here before. I saw 2 like bees and they seem to be fighting each other, so they're probably male carpenter bees.
under partly sunny skies. Coachville reported 86, Allentown reported 87, and Wilkes-Barre Scranton reported 84.
Which means they are scary and aggressive, but they can't sting.
Some conditions across southern New Jersey at 2 p.m. It was partly sunny.
Dude, I'm sweating out here already.
At Trenton, 89 at Wrightstown, 89 at Mount Holly, 87 at Millville, and 89 at Atlantic City Airport in Pomona.
Where is it 90?
Weather across Delaware at 2 p.m.
Or is it not 90 degrees
Dover was
yet?
88 degrees under partly sunny skies. Georgetown was 89 degrees under mostly sunny skies. A few other locations at 2 p.m. Skies ranged from mostly sunny to partly sunny. It was 80 at Pittsburgh, 88 at New York City, 90 at Baltimore, and 84 at State College.
It's 90 in
Once
Baltimore.
again, at 2 p.m. at Philadelphia International Airport, it was 89 degrees under partly
My weather
sunny
says
skies.
91.
At Wilmington, it was 88 degrees under partly sunny skies. At 3 p.m. at the Philadelphia International Airport, it was partly sunny. The temperature was
Why is it
90
repeating
degrees,
itself?
the dew point 57 degrees.
Now it's
and the
90.
relative humidity 32%. The wind was southwest at 13 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.81 inches and falling. At the new Castle County Airport in Wilmington, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 88 degrees, the dew point 57 degrees, and the relative humidity 34%. The wind was southeast at 14 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.83 inches and falling. Here are some conditions across eastern...
Well, I don't know why it's repeating itself.
Skies ranged from mostly sunny to partly sunny. It was 90 at northeast Philadelphia, 91 at Doylestown, 88 at Pottstown, 87 at Coatesville, and 91 at Reading. Allentown reported 86, Lancaster reported 87, Harrisburg reported 86, and Wilkes-Barre Scranton reported 85. some conditions across southern New Jersey at 3 p.m. Skies ranged from mostly sunny to partly sunny. It was 87 at Trenton, 91 at Wrightstown, 89 at Mount Holly, 88 at Millville, and 86 at Atlantic City Airport.
So I think it's about 90 degrees where I live.
Delaware at 3 p.m. Dover was 86 degrees under mostly sunny skies. Georgetown was 90 degrees under mostly sunny skies.
Dude, I love feeling the sun though.
At 3 p.m.
Like, it feels nice. I mean, there are some clouds, but it's not that bad.
It was 80 at Pittsburgh, 88 at New York City, 90 at Baltimore, and 86 at State College.
It's like good mental health stuff. It's just sitting outside, but it's warm.
It was 19 degrees under partly sunny skies. At the new Castle County Airport in Wilmington, it was 88 degrees under partly sunny skies. This is NOAA Weather Radio broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 from Philadelphia. You're listening to NOAA Weather All Hazards, the voice of the National Weather Service on station KIH 28 from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. This programming originates from the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey. The station provides a 24-hour broadcast of 7-day public forecasts, hourly observations, local climate data, marine forecasts, and regional warning information. If you have any questions about the broadcast, please contact us at 609-261-6600 between the hours of 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Tests are run on Wednesdays between 11 a.m. and noon. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. The current time is 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here is the regional weather forecast. For the Philadelphia metropolitan area, today, mostly sunny. Hot with highs in the lower 90s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds around 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour, becoming west after midnight. Friday, partly sunny with a 30% chance of showers. Not as warm with highs in the lower 80s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
So it was about like 90 yesterday. Today it's like around 90.
Then mostly clear after midnight. Cooler with lows in the upper 50s.
Like 91 or 92. I think it's like 91.
Northeast after midnight. Chance of rain 30%. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s.
So it's not like too warm. Well, actually no, it is very warm.
Mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Lows around 50.
Yeah, my weather thing says it's 91. Or the Weather Channel says it's 91.
Chance of rain
Let's see.
Sunday night,
Google says it's 90. AccuWeather says it's only 87.
Cooler with lows in the upper 30s.
But the high will be 90.
Chance of rain 50%. Monday, sunny.
What is that?
Cooler with highs in the lower 50s.
Actually no though.
Monday night,
It says only 87. I don't know like what
lows in the mid-30s.
why there's such a huge
Tuesday,
difference in
sunny.
like what the miles are
Highs
saying.
around 60. Tuesday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Not as cool with lows in the upper 50s. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Warmer with highs in the lower 70s. The following river stage data is for recreational use only. For the Delaware River at Regalsville, the observed stage was missing at 7 a.m. Thursday. The forecast stage is missing at 7 a.m. Friday. For the Delaware River at Trenton, the observed stage was missing at 7 a.m. Thursday. The forecast stage is missing at 7 a.m. Friday. For the Schuylkill River at Norristown, the observed stage was missing at 7
Everything
a.m.
is missing.
Thursday. The forecast stage is missing at 7 a.m. Friday. For the Schuylkill River at Philadelphia, the observed stage was missing at 7 a.m. Thursday. The forecast stage is missing at 7
yesterday,
a.m. Friday. Here is the official
It says it was
National Weather Service
92.2
forecast for
degrees.
Chesapeake Bay
And
North
today
for
it's
full Island.
91.5. I thought it was supposed to be warmer today.
Thursday, April 16th.
Maybe it's
Today,
not.
southwest
Maybe
winds
that's
5
like
to
it's
10
not
knots with gusts
updated.
up to
Yeah.
20 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Tonight, southwest winds
Stuff
5
in my
to 10
face.
knots, becoming west after midnight. Waves 1 foot or less. A slight chance of showers after midnight. Friday, northwest winds
There's a
around
bee.
5 knots. Waves 1 foot or
Hold
less.
on, can I film it?
Friday night,
Let's see.
winds around 5 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Saturday,
Oh, I think I lost it.
5 knots, becoming southeast in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot or less. Saturday night.
Yeah, it's too late now.
10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less.
Dude, the ground is...
Chance of shower.
Oh no, there's another one there.
Sunday, northwest wind.
Yeah, I think there's actually a bunch of bees.
Waves 1 foot or less. Showers. Sunday night, northwest wind 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less.
Yeah, I don't like male carpenter bees. They just like,
Monday,
they hover.
northwest wind
They
10 to
scare
15
you.
knots. Waves 1 foot or less.
Even though they can't do
Monday
anything
night,
to you,
northwest
they
wind
can't
5
hurt
to
you.
10 knots.
They
Waves
just
1
act
foot or less.
tough. They get in your
Here is
face
the
and everything
National Weather
too.
Service forecast for Lower Delaware Bay, issued at 2:44 p.m. Thursday, April 16th. Today, southwest wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming south this afternoon. Waves around 2 feet.
They basically
Tonight,
intimidate you.
southwest 10 to 15 knots.
They can't actually hurt you, but they just
Southwest 5 to 10 knots
intimidate
until
you.
midnight. Waves around 2 feet. Friday, west wind 5 to 10 knots.
Alright guys, I think I'm gonna go inside.
Waves around 2 feet.
I hope you guys
Chance of showers in the
are
morning.
staying
Friday
hydrated.
night, northwest
Hope you guys
winds
are
around 5
safe.
knots, becoming northeast
And I hope you
after
guys aren't overheating. So, I'll see you later.
Saturday,